Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at breast cancer.
According to breast surgeon Dr. Jason Copeland, approximately 1 in every 15 Jamaican women will develop breast cancer during their lifetime. Dr. Copeland says the case fatality rate is high, with about 50% of those affected dying from the disease.
So what that means is that while 1 in 15 will develop breast cancer, approximately 1 in every 30 Jamaican women will die of breast cancer. So it is actually quite common. It accounts for approximately 35% of all cancers in Jamaican women. That's more than cervical cancer, uterine cancer, and colon cancer combined for women.
Are you seeing an increase?
Yes, we are. When we look at the figures from the Global Cancer Observatory, the most recent figures were in 2022, and the estimate was over 1,300 women diagnosed with breast cancer. If you go back to the 2018 estimates, we're about 900 plus.
Dr. Copeland explains that, unfortunately, at least 90% of women are diagnosed only after discovering a lump in their breast, a sign that the cancer is already present.
There are other signs. There may be a lump under the armpit. There may be ulcerations or rash associated with the nipple or the areolar complex. But there may be also areas of unilateral breast swelling or thickening to the skin of the breast. And in some patients, we also see abnormal nipple discharge. Very often, the nipple discharge may be bloody or have a brown look to it as well.
The breast surgeon points out that the high mortality rate is not only alarming, but also compounded by the high cost of treatment, which can be a significant barrier for many patients.
When breast cancer presents late, the surgical treatment, the morbidity of treatment actually increases. The disfigurement actually increases as well. A lot of these patients have to end up with mastectomies, and very often mastectomies that you're unable to reconstruct. Patients who present earlier are able to get what we call breast conservation therapy, which involves just removing the tumor and preserving the rest of the breast, and we also add radiation therapy to the majority of those patients.
And early detection increases the chances of successful treatment. With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.